Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today our video is on how to solve Steam not opening on Windows 10 or 11. So if your Steam is not opening, that means there is some kind of error, and what you're going to want to do is make sure that Steam is always running in the background. So as you saw, you just press the little arrow on the right side of the taskbar, and then you can also right click and press exit Steam, and that will just shut Steam down from all of its running in the background application. And if that doesn't show up, just right click your taskbar and press Task Manager. And they'll take you to this screen, and you can just search Steam, and if anything pops up, just highlight it and then press close or exit. For me, there was nothing because my Steam was running perfectly fine, but for you that might not be the case. So if that also doesn't work, you just right click on Steam and press run as administrator, and then a little warning message will pop up. Just click yes, and then Steam should open just like so. So that should be everything. If your Steam still isn't working, it might be something to do with your Steam file. So you will have to just delete and reinstall Steam, and it should be working after that. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.